Good afternoon, this is Frank Kontesky with MarineMax. I'm here to show you our 2019 Sea Ray 27 Sun Deck with Outboard. As you can see, gel coat color is blue with a white bottom. Coming around, you'll see the spacious bow area. Popular in the Sun Deck line, gives you more seating in the bow, lets you bring more people aboard. Moving to the Transom. When you step on, you'll see that this boat is equipped with the Sea Deck in brown. It has a 300 horsepower Mercury outboard in black. The new outboards give you a whole new handle, taking the cowling off, checking oil, and adding oil. On the 27, you get a great sun pad, lounger in the back here, cup holders. Here's your tow bar. Moving into the cockpit, you have your dune color interior. What's nice with the Sun Deck line is all cushions are hinged, easily opened, and they won't fall off if you hit a wave or anything like that. Cooler in this one. All seats have a grab rail around in case you're going a little quick. At the helm, you're equipped with a Simrad display screen, chart plotter, fish finder, everything is ran through this. Flush mounted fusion stereo system. Here's your lighting, bilge and water pumps, and trim tabs. On the port side, you have a nice head area. You do get a port window in there with a sink and a vacuum flush head. Both seats are benches which can be maneuvered forward or aft. That way if you're anchored up, you can have the whole party hanging out, enjoying each other. This boat does come with the optional Bimini top in blue. All the canvas is blue as well for the cockpit and bow cover. Moving forward, like I spoke about earlier, large bow area. A lot of seating. You do have two forward-facing loungers with enough room to sit a couple people in the front. Pete's opening up our anchor locker. The anchor locker also is equipped with a forward bow ladder for hopping off and on at Tices or at Treasure Island. And also, when you're hopping off and on the islands, use a spray down to get your sandy feet all nice and clean before stepping onto your vinyl Bimini woven carpeting. For more information on this boat or any other boat that we offer, please visit us at MarineMax Brick. My name is Frank, 732-330-2609. Thank you.